Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, going to read Light of Divinity, page 14 and 15. Satsang, the company of truth. So here I start. A satsang speaks from the heart of truth in words, and it was a wonderful potency to lift its hearers or the readers. Above their mind stream, the satsang is a devotional tool, one that has a long and revered standing in the religious tradition of this country. A satsang occurs when a group of people talk, or in this case, write about their experiences in faith. Through natural sympathetic listening or reading, it draws its audience into the circle of faith as an electron carries an electron charge. A satsang carries a charge of faith. Those standing in the edge of skepticism and faith. Each satsang, as we have learned from Guruji, blesses both the reader and the writer. Each satsang, as we have learned from Guruji, blessed both the reader and the writer. Each one offers a turning point in the life of an individual, as distressed as you are. Each also offers a continuation, a reaffirmation, a moment of faith. For in Guruji's presence, we are in the presence of Him whose light is more radiant than the instantaneous luminescence of all the suns in the universe, and each puts the sword to doubt which walks so many times arm in arm with faith. Doubt and faith both inhabit a world of contradiction and contrariness. Satsang put the doubt to sword. Each of these true life stories shows how the spirit of man rises up to claim its innate faith. We call that faith Guruji, others have called him by different names, all as dear as loving as him. As all dear as loving as him. The satsang offer you who are wondering whether to take the leap of faith, a springboard. Listen to them and drive headlong. The divine holds you on his arm. All the stories of innumerable devotees scattered all over the country are miracles. But what is a miracle? It is a moment of faith in hearts. It is the first and foremost a miracle of love, and only then an evidence of the supernatural in our natural affairs. So the characters of these stories, Guruji's innumerable devotees, are writing of experiences that found them overwhelmed, overtaught, that made vulnerable and defenseless, that stretched their faith, that tested their spirit, that showed their chinks in their mount, that made them strong, courageous, enduring, and hopeful. They are reporting experiences of being carried away by divine current. They are talking about the light they saw in the dark night. These satsang are true companions, for they carry the Guru's word, and the adherence to this word is paramount. For the word is the Guru. The satsang carry the energy of Guruji. They not only recount how his divine will save and nurture his devotees, they embody that energy and allow you to savor it and to be benefited by it. Each of these satsangs speaks of Guruji's love for his children and the many pains he took to take care of them. It is a time for his children not to bear his word in mind, to honor it in a speech and deed, and not able to dismiss his memory. The satsang are the many leaves of the great tree of truth, each singing its song, each wrestling with faith, enshrined in the satsang in the devotees' love for Guruji and his for them. May it touch your heart as surely as it has touched theirs. So here I conclude today's reading. So Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji. Sangaji, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Guruji.